you guys have this hard copy, am I right? This material, this worksheet. Just to check, you guys have it, right?
I know.
What is it that you have with you now? Valerie, do you have it? The hard copy? Yes or no, Valerie? Yes, right? Okay, how about Adam? Adam, do you have it?
No, I don't.
Can you ask your parents for help? They should have received it or printed out something like that. Okay, we need to have all this ready before we can start class. Before we can start a class.
Okay. Messi, I have the worksheet. The worksheet is inside. That one. Wait a moment,
The hard copy. The hard copy, do you have it?
Don't see. Close your eyes.
Okay, and okay, while Adam is trying to sort it out, okay, let me show you. Okay, wait, there's another Lincoln. Aretino. Okay, just give us a minute. We're admitting more students here. Aretino. Aretino. Can you hear me, Aretino? Lincoln, can you hear me? Or Ashlyn, is it? Ashlyn, yes, can you show me your video?
Just say I have it now. Already. I have it now.
Okay, you have it now. Okay, it's soft copy using computer version, is it?
No, I'm using iPad.
iPad, huh? So your question is in the iPad, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to be able to switch from my screen to your iPad question every now and then, okay? And because in the future, I need you to print it out or use a hard copy because there'll be, you need to write down notes, okay? You need to write down notes. Okay, how about Ashlyn? Can you show me a video, Ashlyn? Okay, Ashlyn, where are you, Ashlyn? Okay, I can see you. Okay, good. Ashlyn, do you have this material, the hard copy? This one. This one. Ashlyn, do you have it?
The questions are on the iPad. I don't have a hard copy.
Okay, so you are using the soft copy, yeah? How about Aretino?
Yeah.
Aretino? Aretino, can you hear me, Aretino?
Yes.
Do you have the materials, hard copy or soft copy? Aretino? Okay, Valerie, you have the hard or soft copy? Valerie? Valerie, do you have the hard or soft copy, Valerie?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have it in your computer or you printed it out?
My father printed it out.
Okay, very good. Okay, so
I
all of
printed
you
it out.
yeah, okay, so all of you, Aretino, you printed it out already, is it?
Yes.
Your name is Aretino or your parents' name is Aretino, just to check.
My brother.
Your brother, huh? Can you change to your own name so that it's easier for me to call you? Okay, so now let's start, okay? This is the material that you all should have printed out for the class. And the next thing is, let me bring you to the 88 Tuition website, okay? Here is the website. Let me just show you where the questions are found, okay? So, let me just show you where our teaching materials, okay, and you should use them, okay? So the videos are found in this part here. You click on this P3 under Learn, you click P3, P4, okay? And that's where we go get all the materials. And the live tutorial later on, okay, that's what we're going to do today, okay? This one, tutorial 1, okay, under me, Mr. War, okay? And today we're going to study the topic of matter, okay? The practice question is for you to do at home. Okay. We're not going through this. We're going through the live tutorial questions. Okay, later on. So let's look at the learn part. Okay, just to check, are your parents beside you now? Because I really need your parents. Okay, parents, I need you all to be beside your child if as much as possible, so that, okay, first thing, to make sure that your child is on task. Second thing, you also learn along the way, and if they need help, after class, in between lessons, okay, you can come in, you can help me in that sense. Okay, so parent, hi, so good afternoon, everybody, students and parents. Okay, I'm Mr. Wah. So today we're going to learn the topic on the P4 topic. Okay, P4 topic on matter. So let's just go here. Okay, so here you see a whole list of videos and whatnot. Okay, so right now you are coming to here. Let me just check. Where is the video? I was looking at the materials. Let me see. Matter. Give me a minute. Matter. Where was I? Just now I was looking at lesson.
Yeah, very low.
Give me a minute. Okay, matter. Give me a minute. Let me just find. Materials, no. Give me a minute. 3 states of matter, concepts, matter 1. Okay, resume. Okay, this is the one that we're talking about, class. We're looking at lesson 34 now, class. So parents, just please assist, all right? In case your child is like wondering which video to look for, okay, should they want to study everything on their own in between lessons, this is a video to look for. We're at lesson 34, next week is 35, all right, parents and students as well, yeah? So this video is 18 minutes long. I won't be playing the whole video again because there's no value in doing so. Instead, okay, I will replace certain parts of it, and then I'll need students to write down notes. Okay, so the next thing that you need for this online tuition is I need you guys to have a notes book with you. Can you get an exercise book out now, class? Do you have an exercise book with you? Can you ask your parents for one, or for not? If you really don't have one, take out a piece of A4 paper first, okay? Then later on, the next lesson, remember to get ready, all right? So all of you got an exercise book ready, or at least a piece of A4 paper, so that we can write down notes. So who's still preparing the paper? Ariano, you have it? Ariano?
I'm here.
What's that? So Adam still preparing, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're done, quickly tell us so that you can start.
Okay.
Ready, Adam?
Yes.
So you have the paper ready? Okay, so let's start. Okay, everybody's ready. Ariano, you ready? Ariano?
Yes.
Okay, good. So start. Okay, let's start this topic on matter already. Have you heard of the term matter in school? Have you started learning matter in school? Who has learned the topic matter in school? Can you thumbs up or something?
Not me.
Not you, How about Ashlyn, Valerie? Not yet, none. So everybody's starting on a fresh page, okay? How about Ariano and Valerie? Have you started the topic on matter?
I don't know.
Don't know. Oh my god. Okay, so must be more attentive. How about Ariano?
No.
Not yet. Okay, very good. So we all start off on a fresh page. So looking at the PowerPoint slides, okay, can you just write in this first phrase first? The meaning of matter, okay, anything that has mass and occupies space. The first row that that I highlight here. Write just this part here. The rest don't copy as yet. Okay. Matter. Okay. The first important thing that you're supposed to learn for this lesson is anything that has mass and occupies space. To occupy space is means the same thing as take up space or has volume. Okay. Can you write down this phrase, the one that I highlighted? Ariano, do you have a video? Okay, so anything that has mass and occupies space is a form of matter. Okay, then the next phrase that you need to copy is this one: matter can be invisible or visible. All right. And today we're going to study the concept of volume and mass. Okay. So can you write down the second phrase, the one here? Matter can be visible or invisible. Okay, just to recap not to recap. This is something new. Okay. Okay, who needs more time before I go to the videos already?
Me.
Me.
Okay, only these two parts, yeah? Don't copy everything yet. It's just this one.
Okay.
The first two sentences. This one and this one. Who's still writing?
Me.
Me, I'm writing.
Okay, done writing?
No. Actually, the first one are not done.
You need to write down this and this, okay? Not everything yet. Okay, this one and this one. Done, Adam? Okay, who's still writing?
No.
Which one are you
It's
writing, Adam?
the first one.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Okay.
Done? Finish, Adam? Okay, who's still writing? Okay, all done. Okay, so let's go back to the video. Okay, let me just do a screen